Good morning, children. Happy to meet you all once again through this video. So let's get started without any delay to learn an interesting topic. So in our last class we saw about electrical energy, and there is a question for you. Have you ever celebrated Diwali? What do you do when you celebrate Diwali? And what you find inside the fireworks or crackers which you use to burst? Yes, your answer is right. It is the chemical present inside the bursting crackers which make the cracker burst. So, your guess is right. Our today's topic is about chemical energy. In this video, you will come across the definition of chemical energy, experiments, and a few uses of chemical energy. Children, have you ever noticed your mom using the matchstick? What happens to it? Yes, the stored energy of the chemical gets joined together. It gives us heat energy and thermal energy. It can also gives us light energy. So children, shall we see the definition for chemical energy? Listen carefully. A stored substance which joins together forming chemicals compounds. When two or more substances react, chemical energy is released. So, children, do you like to do some experiments at home? I hope the answer will be yes. So, without any delay, let's get started with a few experiments. So, if you take a water bottle, or if you take a bottle of a soft drink like Coca-Cola, Fanta, and so on, when you pour it on a dirty place, you can see the chemical reacting towards it and it cleanses the dirt. So children, make sure you don't take more soft drinks because they are not good for your health. It contains almost all the types of chemical energies in it. Instead of taking all these kinds of soft drinks which contains chemical, you can take the natural drink which comes out from fruits. The fresh drinks like apple juice, mango juice, pomegranate juice, and so on. Can we see the second experiment? Secondly, take a little amount of Coke or any kind of soft drink as I told you previously. Pour it in a glass and add the chocolate called Mentos and just watch. What is happening? You can see the gas coming out through the liquid. You can see the drink overflowing through the gas so that was one kind of chemical reaction. Experiment 3 is nothing but if you take an egg and drop it into a bowl of vinegar and take it for some and leave it for some time. You can see the chemicals reacting towards the egg, and after some times when you take the egg out from the vinegar, you can see the egg formed into a jelly-like structure, or you can also call it as bouncing ball. It is because of the chemical inside the vinegar that turns the egg into jelly kind of structure. So through all these live experiments, I hope you got an idea about what is chemical reaction. So now let's see about the uses of chemical energy. As human beings, from where do we get energy? Any guess? Yes, we get energy from the food that we eat. So also the food that we intake, it contains chemical energy. So now you can tell me, how does your TV remote works? How it works, children? Yes, only when we put the battery into the battery case, the TV remote will work. These batteries also contains chemical energy so that it helps the remote to work properly. Even the little pieces of wood, it contains chemical energy. The minute you put a matchstick on or some objects which produce fire, it starts burning. It helps us to cook food, and in some cases it is also used in the cold places to keep us warm. The different fuels like petroleum and diesel also contains chemical energy. Only because of this, the vehicles are able to move on the road. So, shall we recap the lesson? And today, our topic was about chemical energy, a, sort, a stored substance which joins together forming chemical compounds. When two or three substances react, the chemical energy is released. So, we also saw about a few experiments. If you can also try it, or else, if you think it is a risk to try, please don't do it. Shall we see the uses? Yes, the food we eat contains chemical energy. And what else? The battery which we use to operate the remote has chemical energy in it. And the wood we burn for fire has chemical energy. And also the petroleum, the fuels like petroleum and diesel contains chemical energy in it. Children, as I regularly tell you, there is a code for you to do. Complete it. Take care. Stay safe. Pray hard. Thank you. Have a nice day.